What's up, guys? Right now I'm towing the GTO to the paint shop, finally. It's been sitting in primer for, I don't know, like 3 weeks or so. It's finally time to get it painted. So we're gonna drop it off tonight. I'm gonna have to come back and help Nick out. Nick's the guy that paints for us. He's a really cool dude. Basically, he's just charging me for the price of, you know, the paint and stuff like that. He's not actually charging any labor, which is really nice of him. But you can kind of see the GTO on the back right there. But yeah, we'll be there soon, and I'll shoot a little video for you guys, taking it off, and I'm probably gonna be over there this weekend. I'm hoping to get the shell painted this weekend, and tow it out of his house from his little garage back to my house, actually, where I'm gonna be putting it together, because there's really no need for it to be at the shop to be put together. So yeah, let's do this thing. There it goes into the garage. That thing smokes a little bit. Dude, I like the smell of this thing.
I know, they have a different smell.
They do. It doesn't smell like a, I don't know, it kind of smells like an old muscle car.
It's funny too, because like your button to push in the console, like to get the key out,
it's impossible to reach that shit. It's like stupid, but it is what it is.
It's definitely nice, dude.
Oh shit, there's no fucking bolt left, dude.
That's like,
those aren't even that, like that fucking turbo bolt's just gone. That's gonna be fun.
looks like you're gonna be drilling that out.
Yeah, probably. I'm gonna have to buy some more of those bits, because it's the only thing that'll get this out.
No rust on it.
Goddamn, dog. It's a lot of cars, man. Alright, well, I'm back at the paint shop. Also finished these up, this retrofit. We're gonna be painting this too. So let's see what he's done. Alright, so I dropped this car off. What was it? 2 days ago or something, on Monday. Today is Thursday. And this dude got it all sanded. I was expecting to have to come over here and sand it with him, but everything's done. So we're planning to get this thing painted, hopefully by the end of this week. At least get the shell painted and the hood. And then we'll pull this out, put it around into one of those bays over there. And then he's gonna paint, you know, the rest of the parts. There's a lot of parts to paint on this thing. I still do have to get a new door handle off of the stealth part out. But overall, this thing's getting some progress. All right, so we're gonna take all this apart, finish getting this prepped up, tape it up, and he's gonna paint it tomorrow. picking up the GTO from paint right now. So he got the parts painted. The hatch, fenders, doors are right here. So we're gonna actually throw these on the car and then load the car up on a trailer and get it out of here. But coming together slowly. All right, there it is. That's everything that's painted so far. Those headlight buckets make an enormous difference in the way the car looks. But everything looks pretty crispy. Still gotta push the hood over a little bit on the hinges. This way a tiny bit, close that gap up a little bit. Make this one a little bigger on this side. But she looked good. So I'm about to start it up and we'll load it up on the trailer and I'm taking it home. We're all loaded up, taking this baby home. Shit, it looks so freaking good.